everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's episode is going to be about Kylie skin concealers. I got 5 in the mail and I also ordered 3 lip glosses. So it came in her usual box. I got a customs charge of £30. Ula paid for it. He's still not talking to me. Anyway, that is the challenge of living in the UK. We open it up and it is the regular Kylie box with the dripping product right here. You have her little winky eye. I don't know whether you guys can see it. Does it open? Does it close? Does it open? Does it close? Here's the bill. And then inside we have 5 skin concealers and then we have 3 lip glosses. So let me bring these out. This is the packaging. This is what it looks like. Boom, boom. And then the 3 lip glosses. I've ordered the 2 lip glosses before, which was literally and so cute. And I also got Pussy Cake. So this is what the packaging looks like. And these are the 3 lip glosses right here. I'm just going to give you a quick swatch. It's not about the lip glosses today. So this is Pussy. And then this right here is literally... So that's right here, it's a bit messy. And then this right here is so cute. Voila. So those are the 3 lip glosses that I got. So I got Cocoa. She came out with 30 colors. So this is the darkest of the 30 colors. This one is called Cocoa. And then the next one that I got was Jasper. Jasper is also like a chocolatey brown. I'm going to do the swatches for you in a minute. And then after that, I got Clove, Toffee. This one is Toffee. And the lightest one, I got Almond because I wanted to have something that would match my skin as well as I could contour with. And then a little lighter one that I could put underneath the eyes. And then yet again, another chocolate one just to bring the whole thing together. So let me do the swatches for you right now. So this right here is Cocoa. This is the darkest one that she has. Then we're going to go in with Jasper. And that is Jasper. And this is Clove right here. Then this is Toffee. And this, my darlings, is Almond. So those are the 5 that I got. So they're considered skin concealers. They retail for $20 on her website. She's an e-commerce brand, so you can't go into the stores to try out the concealers. I mentioned that because you cannot return the concealers. Once you have ordered them, that is it. So you have to really take your time and try to figure out exactly what shades are good for you. I'm a beauty influencer, so I got 5 because I wanted to try them out, and I wanted also to try them out for you guys. I had mentioned before, she also came out with 30 different shades of concealer from the very, very, very fair to the extremely dark, which was Cocoa. And then she divided the 30 shades into 6 categories. So she has fair light, then she has medium tan, deep, and deep dark. So the 5 shades that I got were from the deep dark and the deep category. Now I'm going to open one of them for you so that we can really look at the entire product. So this is exactly what it looks like. It's almost like a lipstick bottle and it has Kylie at the bottom. It has the name of the skin concealer that you have chosen. You just twist it out and when you open it, it has like a dofer. Again, very much like a liquid lipstick. I'm going to open the almond one, which is also the lightest one that I chose. And this again is what it looks like. We're going to do a tutorial barefaced and I'm going to use all of these shades. The Cocoa, which was the darkest, was what I used as a contour. I ended up using Clover as a skin. And guys, you know what? I did not use any foundation. I just used the skin concealer straight up. I wanted to do this for you guys because I wanted you to see what it looked like without any foundation. Some of you don't like foundation. My sister does not care for foundation at all. So I always keep that in mind that there'll be a whole bunch of you out there that is very much like her and doesn't care for the foundation. We're going to go in with a tutorial to see how this feels, and then after that we're going to have the final review and we're going to find out if this is FDV approved or not. See you later. And I'm going to take my all-in-one Mellow Egg Cream, Too Cool for School, fantastic moisturizer. I'm going to put this all over my face. I love it because it's got a pump. So you just take that out, and I'm gonna put this all over my face. This is what I've been using lately, and this is what I used when I was in Marrakesh. It hydrated my skin completely. Then I'm gonna take clove, and I'm just going to go directly onto my face. I wanted to try it this way for those of you that don't care for foundation. I'm gonna take my beauty blender and we're gonna blend all of this in. Yeah? So we are going to go in with Cocoa. Cocoa was the darkest of all of her skin concealers. So we're gonna put this on and see what this looks like. So I'm just gonna stroke it all the way down on my temple. I'm gonna give it onto my side of my cheek here, on my jawline right here. All right, so with my Artiste brush, and this is an oval 6, I'm going to blend that in ever so lightly. Ooh, I like. The blendability is fantastic. It really is. It goes in smoothly. I'm going to go in now with 2, and these are toffee and almond. Yes. I'm going to go in with toffee first, and then I'm just going to highlight it in with an almond. Yeah. I'm just going to do it this way, just some light scratches. Let's see what this looks like. Put it down my laugh lines, a little bit on my chin. We're gonna give it a cross over here, a couple more over there. And then I'm going to go in with my almond. That's the fairest that I have. And I'm just going to go into the inner corner of my eye, put that in there. More scratches, voila. And then I'm gonna put a little bit down here. Yeah? What are we thinking, guys? Is it fab? And I'll just put like a little cross there, yeah? Alrighty, let's blend this puppy in. As you can see, it's blending out beautifully. Usually if I'm doing concealers, I have to do one side and then blend it right away, and then I'll do the other side. As you can see, I did the entire face and it blended out beautifully. I'm just going to put some setting powder just to see how it all comes together. And then for my contour, I'm going to use the Rich Mahogany from Estee Lauder, the double wear pressed powder. And I'm just going to go over the contour just to even set that more. And then I'm going to just go in with Jasper on top of everything. Let me just see how this works, just for like a little bit of a cheek right up in here. And I'm going to blend this. Let me just see how this looks. So that gives it that, ooh, that gives it that rich contour right there on the cheek. Can you see? I'm going to do that again on the other side. And this is Jasper. It doubles up like a blusher, like a cream chocolate blusher. That's what it doubles up as, because it's got a little bit more of a red hue. So if I didn't want to use any blusher and I just want to put on some highlighter, for sure I would use Jasper. Yeah? Okay, let me just set that again. Oh, I like that. Let me just put a little bit here. Ba-da-ba-da-bam. Yes, that works. Let me just cut it a little bit. Yeah. All right, my loves. So those are all 5 of the skin concealers. I'm going to put on my makeup. I'm going to do my brows, lashes, the whole bull wag. And then we're going to come back and talk about it in depth.
Time is flying fast. I never felt so good as far as I remember. I miss that face, I'm ready, I want more of that. I finally understood, I'm ready to surrender. Oh baby, tell me where it went. Tell me where it went. Make love all day and night again. One single look, oh girl, right there and then I just knew. Never seen somebody like you. I met you on a Wednesday pinch myself, it could have been everything about you perfectly undone, and I was like a statue staring into the sun. If I jump, I will fall, guaranteed. 20 seconds later, I did. If I jump, I will fall, guaranteed. 20 seconds later, I did. And I'm going down, and I'm going down, and I'm going down again, yeah.
So I hope you enjoyed the tutorial and the demo using Kylie Skin Concealers. What do I think? Now, it states that it's like a light coverage and it is buildable. I found that it was more of a medium to a full coverage. It was very easy to apply. It was very blendable. This is not a matte concealer. This is more of a dewy concealer. I have very oily skin, and as soon as I put in the setting powder, it just locked everything in. As you can see, I did not use any foundation. So for me, this is very much like a full coverage. Again, I love the little bottles. This is a different kind of skin concealer for me because I love the fact it was very much like a lipstick. You have the doe for wand right there. This is not a pump. This is not like a bottle. You just take it out and you apply onto your face, and then from there you blend out with a brush, with a beauty blender, with your finger, whatever you like. What I loved about this also was that I was able to use this to really sharpen and cut my brow. I love this. I love the fact that I can just touch it up on my face. If you have any imperfections, you are good to go. I love the fact that she had such a wide variety when it came to range for women of color. It is only $20. I do find it a little bit tricky that there are no returns, so you have to be very mindful of that. But aside from that, I absolutely enjoyed using these, and these are my new go-tos. I love her lip glosses, and I now absolutely adore her skin concealers. So, Ula, my love?
Is it FDV approved?
It is absolutely FDV approved. Wonderful, Kylie. Good job. I adore these. I am pleasantly surprised because I wasn't sure what you were going to come up with, but you did good. So this so far, I can tell you right now, I love her peach palette, I love her lip glosses, and I love her skin concealers. For the mere fact that I can come out, not use any foundation, and look relatively fabulous. Good on you, sunshine. Thank you very much. Leave all of your comments down in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, to subscribe, and click the notification button so that you can have Fumski in your sitting rooms, bedrooms, wherever you watch my episodes every single time I put up an episode. Until then, my loves, Ula, say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, darlings. Goodbye. Good job, Kylie.